Hi friends, it's a rainy day in Chennai. There's water everywhere. I'm sitting at home. I haven't been to the hospital. I was just trying to clean up things inside my house and I came across a bunch of CDs. So I decided to check them out because they were all on classical Indian and Western music, which and nobody listens to CDs these days. But before throwing out the things, I was wondering as to what best use I could make use of these CDs. I thought of donating it, but nobody listens to CDs these days, and music is available for free if you just tune on the internet. So the CDs had to go into the scrap, but I tried to retrieve some value, and here I have come across an idea. So this is a CD case. You're all familiar with that. I opened a CD case, and behind that I have lined up a tripod with a mirror, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this. So here is my other phone. I'm recording with this phone, and I'm going to just get a script onto this and show you what use it can be made of. So this is the teleprompter. This is the phone. I've loaded a teleprompter script onto it. I'm going to just use this do-it-yourself teleprompter to read this script. So here you can see I just made this video a couple of days back. Hi friends, this is a DIY teleprompter made from a CD cover. It took 15 seconds to make the teleprompter.